Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aman Khalid, and today we're going to discuss sensitivity analysis in today's video. So, first of all, I'm going to explain about what the sensitivity analysis is. So, sensitivity analysis is basically a technique used to determine how different values of an independent variable affect a particular dependent variable under a given set of assumptions. So it's basically common in financial modeling, risk analysis, decision-making processes to assess the uncertainty and potential outcomes of a decision or investment. So how it works, I'm going to show you how it works. So first of all, we're going to identify the variables. For example, in our this case, we have a shop where we're going to sell our furniture. So these are our variables which are going to affect our model or our investment. So the variables that includes are chairs sold, the how many chairs are sold, and the price per chair is $150, as you can see, and the cost per chair, which is $50. So basically, the thing that includes in the variables are cost, revenue, prices, and interest rate. And then the next step is that we have to change the input values. For example, if we are going to change our input value, like our price of the chair, to $200, then it is possible that our chairs are not going to sell as much as they did when they were cheaper, because more people tend to buy when things are cheaper, right? So the next step is how we are going to measure the impact. So after we change our values, for example, if we increase our prices from $150 to $200, and if we decrease our prices around $50, then possibly there's going to be a change in our profit or loss. So this is what total sensitivity analysis is about. And here we have our profit and loss statement. We have our revenue, which is $150,000, and our cost of sales, which are $50,000, and then we subtracted them both and we got our gross profit, which is $100,000. So first of all, we're going to make a table right over here. We're going to see how we can make the sensitivity analysis. So I'm going to add a border in this. I'm going to add a top border and a left border. Okay, now I'm going to add the prices in this column and the chairs in this column. We're going to uh, see if there's any difference in if we increase the prices of our chair or if we decrease it. So for example, we have sold around when our prices of per chair was around let's guess we have over $150, so we're going to put $150 over there. So $150. If we had a $150 prices per chair, then maybe we have sold around 100 chairs. Let's say we have sold around 100 chairs when the prices were $150. And then maybe the prices increased up to we or maybe we decrease the prices. Let's say about decreasing the prices, we decrease the price around $130, then probably our chair are going to sell a bit more. So let's add 130 chairs being sold when we decrease the price to $130. Then let's say we decrease it more to $120, and let's add some few more values over here, like $100 and maybe $50. Let's say we had a sale and we decided to reduce it into $50. Okay, then on $120 we sold around 400 shares. That's a pretty big difference, right? Because we made our prices a bit cheaper, so we sold a bit more shares. And then on $100 we sold around, let's say, 500 chairs, and on $50 we sold around 1,000 chairs. Okay, so this is now we're going to see if there's any changes which can be considered sensitive to these variables, right? So we're going to copy over operating profit over there, and now we're going to have the sensitivity analysis. Basically, sensitivity analysis are of two methods, which are scenario analysis, in which you create different scenarios like best case, worst case, base case, to see how your results change. Okay, and then there is what if analysis, which we are going to perform in this video, which is mostly done in spreadsheets like I'm doing in Excel. And we're going to see how we can change in input values and then how it affects our outcome. Then we're going to go into data. Then we're going to go into what if analysis and then into data table. And then in row input, we're going to put our actual assumption of the chairs sold, which are 1,000. And in column input, we're going to put our price per chair, which are 150 per dollar. Then we're going to press OK. And here we got our sensitivity analysis and our whole assumption of how our prices are going to be increased or decreased. As you can see, a whole lot of the profits are in the negative, but we have this profit which is going in minus 100,000. It means it is not very going very good, and you can see. So thank you very much. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.